Let's rock and roll, unraveling a classic phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as catchy as it is classic. Let's rock and roll. This phrase is more than just about music. It's a vibrant part of English-speaking culture. So, sit tight as we unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. At its core, let's rock and roll is a call to action. It means to start something with enthusiasm, to get moving, or to begin an activity with energy and passion. While it originally comes from the world of music, specifically the genre of rock and roll, today it's used in various contexts to signify readiness and excitement. The term rock and roll has its roots in the 1940s and 1950s, emerging as a description for a new, energetic style of music. Over time, let's rock and roll began to be used more broadly, symbolizing a readiness to engage in any activity with gusto. It encapsulates the spirit of diving into tasks with a can-do attitude, much like the energetic performances of rock and roll musicians. This phrase is incredibly versatile. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. Before starting a project, we've got everything we need, so let's rock and roll. Encouraging friends for an outing, the weather is great. Let's rock and roll. In a work setting, the meeting is about to start. Let's rock and roll. Remember, the key is the energy and enthusiasm behind the phrase. It's all about kicking things off with a positive vibe. Let's rock and roll is not just a phrase, it's a cultural icon. It represents a bold, adventurous spirit. There are variations like, ready to rock, or, let's roll, each with a slightly different nuance but carrying the same underlying message of readiness and eagerness. Let's rock and roll is more than just an invitation to start. It's a rallying cry for enthusiasm and energy. Whether you're diving into a new adventure, starting a project, or simply getting friends together, this phrase adds a touch of excitement to the proceedings. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use "let's rock and roll" in your English conversations. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, let's rock and roll with our language learning journey.